Welcome to the Stat Tree video module for discriminant analysis. To test whether two or more continuous variables can predict the likely outcome of a categorical variable, discriminant analysis would be appropriate. You will need one categorical dependent variable and at least two continuous independent variables in order to run this test. In looking at the Preferred Entertainment Viewing Survey, question number 2 regarding movie era has two nominal values and is a categorical variable. Era would be appropriate as a dependent variable. Any one of the scale questions, 3 through 7, would be appropriate for the continuous variables for our demonstration. For this demonstration, we will use questions 3 through 7. Once you have uploaded or imported the dataset into SAS Studio, you will need to create a temporary reference to that dataset in the libraries. A link to a video demonstration of that procedure is in StatTree Help. With the PEVS dataset open in SAS, you would choose Linear, Rewind, History, Entertain, and Learn as the independent variables, and Era as the dependent variable. To run the discriminant analysis test for causal inference, create a new SAS program window by pressing the Create icon under Server Files and Folders and selecting SAS Program F4. In the code box, type in the following code. This code can be copied from the new browser window when you press the Script button on the sending page from the StatTree module. Select the code. Now press the Run icon. SAS will generate an output and a results window. As with all statistical tests, the first result to look for is a significance figure associated with the test score. If the significance figure meets your preset criterion, you will need to report your test results in your research paper. You will find that significance figure here. In this test, we have met our significance criteria for the test of the function for the three variables left in the discriminant analysis. With a discriminant analysis, there are multiple results figures to report. You will need to report the significant function statistics, including the Wilks lambda and chi-square results, the percentage of variance explained by the function, the group means for the function, and the overall accuracy percentage in the classification table. If the significance figure does not meet the criterion, test results do not need to be reported in your research paper. However, you will need to report that the test failed to find a significant difference or relationship in the data. To see what this output looks like, along with the reporting example, press the Output button on the sending page from the StatTree module.